My name is Brittany and I will be presenting this presentation on increasing sales, improving client satisfaction, and employee job performance. The purpose of this presentation is to give an inside look at what problems are occurring here at Ecosystems. The three main concerns that I've noticed over the last year include a decrease in sales and revenue, client and customer dissatisfaction, as well as decreased employee job performance. The research conducted here at Ecosystems shows that our sales percentage and revenue have decreased by at least 20%. Our leading competitors have been able to maintain, if not improve, their sales and revenue even during the COVID-19 pandemic. A decrease in sales and revenue has also caused us to lose major clients and customers that we've attained over the years. These losses has affected our revenue greatly. I also think that a major role in how a team works together has increased sales and revenue, and all comes down to those that manage them and lead them. Those that have had leadership positions have had this role for the last 5 years in the company. In this time, our sales percentage and revenue has decreased by 20%. Some major points that having poorly trained leadership positions include that the same leadership has been the last 5 years without any improvement in sales or revenue, no innovative changes to improve the sales, thus creating the decrease in revenue. The decrease in sales and revenue has affected us by bringing a lot of changes that were unexpected due to the pandemic. If we take the first step and look at our strategy plan, reevaluate our budget, and evaluate our sales trend analysis reports, I think that this will help us to see the bigger picture and guide us to how we can better improve the aspect of our company. Another major role in this is client dissatisfaction. There is no doubt that this pandemic has caused our sales to decrease, but has also been a contributing factor to the decrease in client and customer satisfaction. Without having the financial resources to better market ourselves and provide more innovative ideas, the integrity and pride of our company that we once held has decreased from the reviews we have received from our longtime clients and customers. Some research has shown that our client dissatisfaction and loss of sales stems from these major factors: frequent complaints, clients that are not wanting to purchase our products, and abolishment of client contracts. When one client or customer has a bad experience, they are more likely to share that experience with others. Researchers also found that for every 25 dissatisfied customers, between 200 and 500 additional people hear about their negative experience. Rebuilding our client and customer relationships is the first step that we can do to help improve our sales, revenue, and build a stronger foundation for our company. Employee job performance. The effects of decreased job performance have had a significant impact here at Ecosystems. When employees are dissatisfied with their job, overwhelmed, stressed, they tend to do poorly in their work. The effects of decreased job performance has affected Ecosystems in more than one way. The pandemic has affected the world, has brought on a new set of stress and anxiety that many of us have not yet experienced in our lifetime until now. These added stressors have contributed to an increased rate in depression and other mental health disorders. In a tracking poll conducted in mid-July, 53% of adults in the United States reported that their mental health has been negatively impacted due to worry and stress over the coronavirus. More stress added can cause a decrease in the hours of sleep one person may get. Decrease in job performance means decrease in innovation. And the employees here at Ecosystems are the company's biggest asset. Each person that works here plays a vital role that brings every department together. The negative impact of low job performance has affected our sales percentage and revenue due to the lack of motivation and innovation to create new products that our clients and customers would want to use. When employees do not perform effectively, consumers feel that the company is apathetic to their needs and will seek help elsewhere. When job performance is low, this can affect sales by lack of effort and motivation to make a sale or to create a product that can be sold. Some recommendations I have recommended for ecosystems would be improving sales percentage and increasing revenue. Some specifics would be new training with the American Management Association that would provide new skills on how to listen and communicate more effectively with your peers. It would also include seminars and hands-on experience to improve coaching and managing skills in the workplace. Rebranding the company by using different marketing would also be another approach. It would include new logo designs, new color schemes, new digital media to reach clients and customers, and the use of social media to make our company better known. Also, a new strategy plan would include having a new budget and new team analyzing the data to see where the company is doing well and which areas the company could improve. To build a better client and customer relationship, I would recommend implementing a program designed specifically for the clients and customers. The program would include exclusive discounts on our services and products. We would have rewritten contract agreements that would be tailored to each client and partner's needs. If for any reason they were not satisfied, this new contract would be easier to dissolve. We would also provide other discounts for our clients for other businesses that we are also partnered with. The last recommendation would be geared towards the employees. This would be an employee program for wellness and mental health. Our employees here at Ecosystems are the biggest asset to the company. Without them, we would not have a business. Employee satisfaction and well-being should be our #1 priority. To achieve this here at Ecosystems, I would like to create a program that offers resources for mental health. It would include different resources for well-being, such as discounts for gym memberships, retail shops, and other businesses that we are partnered with. It would provide discounts for mental health services as well, such as therapy. It would also provide treats and rewards by having an employee appreciation day at least once a month. It could be done by buying lunch for the employees or having a field day to come together and play different games. It would also offer more training seminars and programs to the employees to improve their skills in the workplace, which would be done also through AMA. I think with all of these recommendations, we would be able to build a stronger business and be more successful by improving our sales and revenue, increasing our client satisfaction, and increasing our job performance for the employees. Thank you.